Looking for the absolute best deal on Bluehost web hosting? You're in the right place. In this quick video, I'll show you how to unlock up to 83% off Bluehost plus get a free domain name, all by using a special Bluehost coupon link. And yes, it's 100% beginner friendly and takes just a couple of minutes. If you're starting a blog, business site, or online store, this is one of the lowest Bluehost prices you'll ever see. So go ahead and click the discount link in the description to activate your Bluehost coupon code automatically. No need to enter anything manually, it just works. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Bluehost at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome Bluehost discount. Once you click the link, you'll land on the Bluehost page here. Click View Plans to get started. You'll see a few options. The basic plan is perfect for beginners or small sites or blogs. The price is just $199 a month. The Choice Plus plan is a good choice if you are needing storage, security, plus backups. The price is only $395 a month. The e-commerce essentials plan is great for online stores. The price is just $645 a month. And yes, the discounts are already applied. Every plan comes with a free domain name, free SSL certificate, free Cloudflare CDN with Argo routing, free malware scanning, one-click WordPress install, staging environment, 24/7 support, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. This is one of the most reliable and trusted hosting providers out there, and now it's one of the most affordable too. Next, choose your free domain. Don't have one yet? No worries. Just select the Choose Domain Later option. Then review your cart. You can change the hosting term to get the best pricing. I recommend going with the 12-month option for the biggest savings without overcommitting. You can also remove any extras you don't need by clicking the trash can icons, then hit Continue to checkout, enter your info, choose your payment method, and submit your order. That's all there is to it. You've just locked in up to 83% off Bluehost with your free domain name and saved a ton of money while launching your website the right way. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the other tutorials on my channel to help you build and grow your site. Click the link below to grab your Bluehost discount before the offer ends. Thanks for watching, and congrats on starting your online journey.